ball, is away. Good. Score number is 4-3. Lamang na ng isa on scoreboard. This is the ball for Scorpion. First ball for Tigers. Third ball, take away. And now, Scorpion. Binalik. Tigers. Binapasok. Ang ating score is 5-3.
Isgarni ba? Ano to rin yun?
Scorpion.
भनौँ त भाइहरू के भन्ने हो ल हाम्रो यता चाहिँ 4 जना हाम्रो नेपाली भाइहरू है नेपाली भाइहरू पनि छ है तर नि हेर्न आएको रहेछ फिलिपिनी तर नि हेर्नलाई पछि परेछन् हाम्रो नेपाली भाइहरू है हो पक्का हो नि ल ठिक छ
Number 3 out. 6-3 ang ating score. Ayan na. First ball, second ball. Third ball, hindi na ipasok. 7-3, apat na lawang ng Scorpion. Ayan na. Tigers, Scorpion. Outside, Lucas para sa Tigers. Score, 7-4. Lamang, ika-pro ang Scorpion. Service for Tigers. Hindi nabisin itong bola. Puntos para ulit sa Tigers. 7-5 ang ating score. Service for good. Second ball, Scorpion. Again, puntos ulit para sa Tigers. Ang ating score is 7-5. Outside, third ball. Good service. Second ball, Tigers. Dani, binalik for third ball. Cross ball for Scorpion. Pumalo sa Lorraine. Ayan na. Backliner. Puntos. Para sa Scorpion, ang ating score is 9-6. Ayan na. Second ball, third ball, Ginula, pabalik. Outside. Puntos. Para sa Tigers. 9-7 ang ating score. Tigers, service the ball. Ayan na. Tigers, second ball. Third ball. Good defense for Scorpion. Tigers. Second ball. Then, Gumalo. Scorpion. Second ball. Binalik. Tigers. Again. Guys. Gumalo. Outside. Lucas para sa Scorpion. Ang ating score is 9-7. Service the ball. First Scorpion is good. Second ball for Tigers. Tigers, Sigulog. Scorpion. Third ball. Pasok. Third ball. Oy! Backliner. Bagla. What is going is 10-8. Service the ball. Ayan na. Tigers, pinalik. Inside. Puntos para sa Tigers. Yun na. Aklara ang ating score is 8-10. Nagbuboring ang ating laruan. Coach, happy birthday, pre. Thank you, pre. Welcome, pre. Ayan na, second ball for Scorpion. Tigers, second ball. Deep, Lulet. Frutas para sa Tigers. Ang ating score is 11-10. Right, service the ball. Ayan na. Third ball, second ball, third ball, deep, Bumalo. Good defense for Scorpion. Second ball, they played. They were outside. Frutos para sa Scorpion. Ang ating score is all 11. Scorpion service the ball outside. Routing score is 12-11. Scorpion second ball in the red. Tigers second ball in the red. Scorpion chance ball. Kaka Pumalo. Good defense for Tigers. Pumalo Bumawi. Air ball again. Second ball. Yeah. Tigers. Again. Second ball. Third ball. Hindi na naipasok ang third ball. Puntos para sa Tigers. Ang ating score is 13-11. Dalawa na lamang ng Tigers. Tigers in the ball. Di pumasok. Bola. Scorpion saves the ball. Service. Gunabi is 40. Ayan na, service the ball. Second ball. Third ball, like a leg. But a good play for Scorpion. Second ball, binalik. Tigers, second ball. Oh, with a six. Ang ating score is 50-12. Ayan na. Service error. To Tigers, puntos para sa Scorpion. Alright, the ating score is 16-20. Team service the ball. Second ball. Alright, let's go back to the ball and service the ball for Tigers. Deep, service. Good. Second ball. Alis ko. Ngayon, 18-14. Apat ang laban. Another point for Tigers. Ang ating score is 19-14. Imanang lalang ng Tigers laban sa Scorpion. Scorpion. Hindi na-receive ang bola. 10 puntos ulit para sa Tigers. Last 5 ang ating Tigers. 20-14. Scorpion, service. Good. Second ball. Bumalo. Inside. Last ball for the Tigers. Ayan na. Second ball. Third ball. Sandali. Ayan na, service good. Ooh! Di nakuha ang second ball ng Tigers. Putos para sa Scorpion. 21-16. Service for Nepal. Nepal service. It's good. Second ball for Tigers. Dani Pumalo. Scorpion. Binalig. Tigers, second ball. Pumalo, pero malayo. Scorpion service. It's good. Second ball for Tigers. Duhagan ka ang laban. Ayan na. Service. Ooh. Rotation. Ang ating score is 21-18. Dalawa na lang. 21-19. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng Tigers. Ayan na. Service error outside. Score natin is 22-19. Ayan na. Second ball for Scorpion. Stop. Third ball. Pumasok. Scorpion. Chance ball. Binalik. Tigers. Second ball. Berry. Nulog ang bola. Second ball for Scorpion. Pumasok. Tigers. Berry. Nulog. Outside. Puntos para sa... Alright, let's go back to the ball game. The running score is 22-20. Last move for Tigers. Ball out and Scorpion. Scorpion service the ball. Service good. Tigers, second ball. Third ball. Alright, ang ating score 22-21. Isa na lang. Ang lamang ng Tigers. Makakahabol na ang Scorpion. What a good play for Scorpion. Scorpion service good. First score is error. Tabla na ang ating score. First ball, pinalik na ang bola. Tigers, second ball. Pinulog. Scorpion, pinalik. Tigers. Ayan na. Second ball. Napalalo. Patayo na lang sa sarili. 23-22, last two for Tigers. Dikit na ang laban. Yan na, Tigers service good. First ball, first ball, second ball. Ayan na, last one for Tigers, 24-22. Ayan na, second ball. Inside! Di pa tapos ang laban. Kaya pa yan. Ayan na, service is good. Oh! Kuhaan! Points for Scorpion. 24-24 ang ating score. Dalawa ulit. Last two. Service good. Hindi na hulaan ang Tigers. Service, nagawa nila. Ayan na. Oh! Okay, sino kaya unang makakuha ng set point? Again, second ball for Scorpion, Tigers. Second ball, Pumalo si Kim. Good defense for Scorpion, binalik. Tigers, second ball. Scorpion, napalayo. Outside. Tigers, good. Nepa, binalik agad ang bola. Oh! Alright, let's go back to the building. Sino kaya makakuha ng unang first set point? Ayan na. Second ball. Tigers, second ball, hinabol. Third ball, start ball, ayan na. Second ball, second ball, goal! And Adam's score is 41, saving the disease last one for Stephen. Mas kanila ang set point. Gagawin ng aga. Stephen, service is good. Tigers, second ball. Oh! Pagkakawan tayo! Parang second game ng kanina. Ready. Service, Tigers good. Alright. Good defense for Tigers. Third ball, binalik. Ayan na, second ball. Tigers for second ball, binalik. Ulit, Tigers. Sinet. Pumalo. Scorpions, pinasok, hinulog. Binalik, Nepal. Second ball for Tigers. Pumalo si King. Got a good play. For both teams. Oh, second ball, third ball. Good job. Ayan na, second ball. Oh! Umahabol pa ang Scorpion. Another last. Tatapusin na kaya ang laban ni Gin. Let's do the game. Service for Gin. Good defense for Scorpion. Ayan na, Tigers, second ball. Binalik. Scorpion, second ball. Sinet, Nepal, hinabol. Wala na. Hindi na bumasok. Nagmuna ang panalo sa first set. Second ball. Maru, pumalo. Service to ball for the XRM. Ayan na. Nepal. Second ball.
Push ka na mo, ganyan.
Bumalo. Scorpion, bilis. Second ball, second ball. Second ball. Scorpion, second ball, third ball. Oh! Lutos para sa Scorpion. 2 on ang ating score. Scorpion serving the ball. Ayan na. Tigers, second ball. Binalik. Scorpion. Danny, second ball. Good job. Berry. Idula, pabalik. Sa okay, ang ating score is 3-1. Serving the ball for SMR. Is 5-1. Second ball. Uy! Net touch. Another point for XMR. Ay, kanina, tuyo to. Bilis ni Bitch. Alright. Let's go back to the game. XMR service good. Hindi na naman nakuha ang bola. Ang ating score is 71. Lamang ng ating Tigers. Twelve ball, binalik, Scorpion. Oh! Substitution. Number 69 in. Number 22 out. Scorpion, second ball, binalik. Tigers, second ball. Oh! Babalik sa doon. Puntos para sa Scorpion. Ang ating score is 8-2. Ayan na. Second ball. Oh, again. Error for Examon. Ayan na. Second ball. Ganda, baka matamaan sa mukha. Ganda lang, ganda. Service the ball for Tigers. Scorpion, second ball. It's good. Binalik. Tiger, second ball. Sinet. Oh! Double. At tinawag si Tigers. Scorpion, service the ball. Left ball. Ayan na, service good. Cross ball. Oh! It's 5-9. Puntos ulit para sa Scorpion. Service error to Scorpion. Service the ball is good. Service the ball is good. Exomar, second ball. Buero, Pumalo. Game side. Another ball for Exomar. On his lamat ng Tigers. Ayan na. Scorpion, second ball. Pinaitawid. Ang ating score is 3. Ayan na. Service, the ball is good. Exomar, second ball, Sinet. Number 2, Pumalo. Again, Scorpion. Napalayo. Scorpion turns the ball, he's good. Exomar, second ball, third ball, binalik. Cross ball for Scorpion, second ball. Third ball, it's good. Ayan na, Exomar. First ball for second ball to Exomar, Scorpion. Second ball, pumasok. Ayan na, Exomar, binalik. First ball is Scorpion, Exomar, trans ball. Bumero, Bumalo, tapos. Hindi pumasok ang ating. Ayan na, Scorpion, service the ball is good, Scorpion. Tigers, second ball, binalik, Scorpion. Second ball, ayan na, Bumero. Hindi pumasok. Yes. Ayan na, Scorpion. Second ball, binalik. Tigers, second ball, Sinet. Ay, Pumalo. Ipupunes for Scorpion. Again, chance ball. Pinulog sa kabila. Pinulog outside. Yan na, service the ball for Scorpion. Second ball. Score natin is 59. Anim na lang ang kinalaman ng Tigers. That's it. Second ball to Tigers. Scorpion. Second ball. It's good. Third ball. Itawid ang bola. It's good. Tigers. Second ball. Hinulog sa kanila. Ayan na. Second ball. Ang Tigers binalik. Outside. Putos para sa Tigers. 69 ang ating score. Service the ball for Tigers. Service good. Scorpion good. Defense. Second ball. It's good. Tigers. Second ball. Sinet. Pumalo. Good defense for Scorpion. Second ball. Binalik. First ball. Pumasok. Ayun na. Team service good. Scorpion. Second ball, Pumalo. Good defense for Scorpion. Ayan na. Second ball. Service the ball for Scorpion. Second ball, binalik. Good defense for Scorpion. Second ball. May taas, pabalik. Okay. Brazil. Number 3, Pumalo. Ang ating score is 18-10. Time out. Scorpio. Wala po sila. Tigers, ASMR, meron pang dalawang time out. Tigers service the ball. Good defense for Scorpio. Service is good. Scorpion, second ball, Binalik. Second ball for Tigers, Sinet. Binalik. Scorpion, second ball. Third ball. Ayan na. Second ball, Berry. Binulak. Outside, puntos para sa Scorpion. Is 19-11. Outside, service error for Scorpion. XMR, service good. Binalik na ang Scorpion. Sinet, XMR, pumalo. Ayan na, binalik. Oh! Tumama sa mukha. Tandaan lang po. Ang ating score is 21-11. Ooh! Ang ating score is 22-11. Ooh! Last two for XMR. Tigers 0-3. 11 ang ating score. Outside. Service error. 22-11 ang ating score. 22-12 ang ating score. Ooh! Good time! Second ball, Binalik. Alaay ko yun. Good pa ba yung bola yun? Yan na. XMR. Second ball. Ooh, mababa. Pero pumasok pa rin. Good defense for XMR. Johnny. Pumasok. Last one for XMR Tigers. Last one. For Tigers, ang ating score is 24-12. XMR. Second ball. Congratulations, XMR Tigers. Kamay-kamay. Thank you for both teams. Pasok po, Maverick. Maverick, pasok po for formality. Walang parilag. Thank you, ano, that's what you have. Rep! Coach Mac! Maverick!